friends, Blossom here for another interesting video. Gardening tips using waste bottles. You will need a wastewater bottle like this. You can make holes like this. Fill this completely with sand. Now add a little water to it. This is called Zabrina or inch plant. Cut them into small pieces like this. Now let's insert them in the holes. Friends, we have to insert the inch plant like this and water them daily. You can hang it anywhere. Once it grows, the bottle will be hidden. You will find Zebrania or inch plant covered like a ball. It will be so beautiful, friends. This is your hanging garden tips. So friends, try to grow hanging bottles like this and have a beautiful garden. Wishing you a happy gardening. Bye for now. After a week time, you will get it like this. Is my hanging garden beautiful, friends? You can also try one with your waste bottles and make a beautiful hanging garden like this. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.